Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to be doing a little makeup therapy. I thought it would be a bit chill to just do a video like this with no talking, just, vibing, just doing my makeup. During this time when everyone is just like really panicking and like anxiety filled, I think it was just a good idea for me to just chill and do my makeup, listen to some music, and relax. So yeah, grab a snack, grab a drink, just chill, watch me do my makeup, and yeah.
Compromising for what reason? To compromise for what? To compromise. What is compromise?
If a man came into your life, wouldn't you want to compromise?
A man comes into my life and I have to compromise? Let's think about that one again.